Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking around this approved used 2020 edition Audi A1 Sportback S line that does come complemented in a Glacier white paintwork with your contrasting black roof. It does house your petrol engine and manual transmission, delivering 116 PS, making it an ideal nippy city runaround or ideal as a first car, with plenty of top features including your LED headlights for enhanced visibility, stylish 17-inch alloy wheels, and for added protection, your power folding wing mirrors and even your parking sensors for those awkward manoeuvres. Stepping into the boot area, you do have enough space to accommodate all of your daily essentials, followed by a luxurious part leather upholstery fitted with your ISOFIX points to assist when installing those car seats. The front does house your S multifunctional leather steering wheel for further convenience whilst driving, with access to your central touch display screen, and just opposite your front sport seats with your S embossed finish for that sporty and modernised look. Moving on to the steering wheel in further detail, you will find an array of audio functions, including controls for your digital cockpit, displaying vital driving data, audio and Bluetooth connection. Moving across, you do have similar options, including your radio stations and Bluetooth again to stay connected on the go. And for a tailored driving experience, you do even have your Audi Drive Select alongside your driving assistance features to assist when you are out on the open road. This is followed just below by your manual air conditioning, power outlets, small storage pocket, and of course your central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.